Filipino food. I'm gonna use chicken, some garlic, and some onions, and some vegetables, and then the meat. And okay, so I'm mixing the garlic and the onions. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the vegetables and the chicken. First, I have to cook this, and then when I'm done, this is gonna be brown. I'm gonna put the chicken in, and then I'm gonna put the chicken. I'm gonna fry the chicken. I'm gonna sear the chicken until it's cooked. Keep stirring and stirring, like this. Let's cover it for now. Okay, so I'm gonna put carrots and cabbage and green beans. And then I'm gonna stir it until it's all cooked. We can mix it, and then if the vegetables are cooked, put the beans in, the noodles. We are gonna put some soy sauce. Put 3 cups of water. 1, 2,
Okay.
and
Now.
then 3. Cover it. We're gonna check it in 5 minutes. We're gonna check the bean, and then we're gonna try. This is super yummy. This is how you make the Filipino pancit. Thank you for watching my friends. Thank you for watching my video, my first YouTube video. I hope you like it. See you next time.